Hello and welcome to day 3 here in Vermont. It snowed again, only about an inch, maybe it could be like a half an inch, but there's a dusting for sure. We are going to Stowe today, so it should be really nice. And looking at the trail map, it really looks more our speed probably. No idea if that's the case or not. That's just a trail map. But to give you guys an idea also of just how much snow has fallen since we've been here in a few days before is absolutely insane. We couldn't have planned this any better if we tried. And the one thing about Stowe so far, $227 lift ticket. Like, it is a Sunday, but man, that's expensive. Oh, and $30 for parking. So, yeah. So we're about 7 minutes outside the mountain now, getting into kind of the outskirts of the town of Stowe, and we got like clouds that are putting a really ominous look to Stowe way off in the distance with barely, I mean, you're not going to be able to see on camera, but as we passed, we saw 1 or 2 runs, but a lot of powder here, and it's about 30 degrees, snowing, supposed to be cloudy all day. This could be a really, I'm not going to say it, but it could be good. So you can barely make it out, but it's just looming in the distance is some runs at Stowe. Just made it to the mountain, switching to the Insta360 for hopefully a fun day at Stowe. We're gonna try to get in, find where we gotta go. At Stowe, in a snowstorm, best ever. So much powder, dude. Oh my god. Put it onto the 360. Oh, uh-oh. Shit. Bro. You guys are watching this, the buttons froze, so can't turn off the recording, but
I'm recording. So, going back to the car a little early, refuel. Yesterday just creeping up on me a bit, and I'm so hungry. So I'm trying to get fuel early rather than late. Some burnout. Hopefully this is the right decision. We will find out. Sterling.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Stowe completed. Favorite mountain of all time. With or without the powder, you know, everyone says that it's like such this bougieville, but I actually felt that the people in Killington were more bougie than here, surprisingly, with their leather one-piece snowsuits. And it is a little bougie in the village over there, but most of the lodges are like low-key. It reminds me of like back home lodges where everyone that is here to ski or snowboard. There's not a lot of people just chilling in the lodge. And we went all across the mountain, and it was just incredible. I did my first double black diamond in Vermont here, which you guys are gonna see. That was Hickett's Highway, which was unbelievable. And we just ran into a snowstorm, which is, you know, you can't really beat that. So we're heading home now, getting home early at like 4:20 to start kind of packing up, because our flight departs tomorrow at 5:50, and we're like an hour from the airport. So we are back, and you know, I don't know, so a lot of the time I do little travel home and stuff, and you know, showing all that, and today I'm just gonna end it here. We're going to the airport at 3 in the morning tomorrow. It's gonna be a little bit rough, but Stowe was one of the best experiences I've had in a very long time, and I didn't get probably as much footage as the other days, but rest assured it was like, it's just an astounding adventure, and I had just an awesome time with one of my best friends and my stepdad. Great bonding experience overall. Sometimes the universe works out so perfectly that I just know my mom's up there probably pulling some strings, because it was just an incredible day. It really was. I mean, what are the chances that we come down here, crazy snowfall at Killington, and then go into a snowstorm at Stowe and have waist deep powder? The videos never do it justice, but it was a great time. And overall, I think I would have to prefer Stowe over Killington, only because with or without extreme powder, Stowe seemed to be much more drive towards both skiers and snowboarders. It just was excellent for everyone all around. So that is something to consider. Killington, you know, when we were all over the mountain, it seemed to be like 70-30 towards skiers. There was really not a lot of snowboarders there, and I think there is a reason for that. It was not a lot of easy snowboarding trails. Any snowboarding trails on there were harder to find. So just keep that in mind as well. This has been a great trip. Vermont's a beautiful place. The creamery, this Airbnb, I can't even recommend it enough. It is amazing. absolutely amazing. So, and the price, it's just truly a wonderful place. So check it out, enjoy it. This is a shorter vlog, and it was because today I lived more in the moment than I did on video, and I love recording this so that I have it for the rest of, hopefully the rest of my life. But sometimes, to my future self, it's more important to live in the moment. So that's what I did today, and I feel pretty damn good about it. And I'm going to go in, pack up. It's like 7:30, and we are going to just die tomorrow at the airport at 3 o'clock in the morning driving there, and it's going to be stressful. And there's really not much to, like, what do you guys, you know, there's not much to see for that. So, yeah, awesome. While I've been talking about this, you might see a little bit of B-roll for the memories of the Airbnb, just kind of like walking around showing you it, just so I remember, you remember. You know how I always do it, and the Insta360 worked out great as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm rambling. Stay tuned for more great videos coming soon.